These Nike sneakers look way more expensive than they actually are. Today, we're unboxing the Nike Ebernon and seeing whether they are worth your money. We aim right out of the box. The first thing that stands out is the clean and classic design. The leather look upper gives the shoe a premium appearance, and the Nike branding is simple yet stylish, inspired by old school basketball sneakers. Taking a closer look, the stitching feels neat. The materials look well put together, and the overall construction feels solid for a sneaker in this price range. Now let's talk about comfort. As soon as we put them on, the fit feels true to size, and there's enough cushioning for every use. One thing I really like about the Nike Ebernon is its versatility. You can pair these with jeans, cargos, joggers, shorts, or even a smart casual outfit. The sole provides decent grip, the shoe feels durable, and the overall quality is exactly what you'd expect from Nike. Of course, they're not the most advanced or heavily cushioned sneakers in Nike's lineup. The Nike Ebernon is all about delivering a stylish, classic look at an affordable price. So, are they worth buying? If you're looking for a budget-friendly pair of Nike sneakers that look great, feel comfortable, and work with almost every outfit,